So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the MacArthur Industries Group. We're here in Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive. So today we've a bit of a story behind this client's vehicle and setup and caravan over time. And one, we'd like to thank Brian for coming to use our services. He's always been a great supporter. But the other thing is, from our point of view, a bit of a special scenario when a gentleman drives from Eden nearly down to Victoria to come and use our services. And he's been doing that over the last couple of years. And to me, it's a proud moment for what my parents have done for me, also a proud moment for what my team also does. So he's turned up here with a scenario where he's had a fair bit of stuff done from where he is. He hasn't been happy with it, hasn't been happy with the quality. He's supplied a fair bit of the product because he's a gentleman that knows what he wants, which is fantastic. He knows exactly what he wants and wants to use it. So we've had to go through, and upsetting enough for us, we've had to remove a lot of stuff that's been fitted somewhere else, and then redo this and make sure we get it up to a standard which should be the standard of most people out there. There are some fantastic auto electricians in our marketplace, and I love doing work with them. I love working with them and going from that side of things. But also there is a marketplace which we're seeing to happen more and more and more when the value of products go further down, to see that the value of the fitment of it, they don't see that the product that they buy for $150 might take $350 to fit, or it might take $450 to fit. So sometimes you've got to advise our clients that you need to have this happen. So Brian has come to us to make sure he gets the right thing. He's had an inverter fitted. He's got 3 batteries over the other sides and lithiums. He's got chargers, DC to DCs and everything like that. We've gone through and made this all work for him. He uses some of his batteries for his electric outboards, and he's had a bit of a fit out. So just guys, if there's any of this sort of stuff you need done, just remember, if you're out in the marketplace, and this is not just us here, think about how you want this situated and how you want it wired and how you want it fitted. If you are going to your local auto electrician anywhere around this country or around the world, make sure they're getting to a standard that's actually you should be getting. Don't go to a price vector, sorry guys, but there's a sector that you'll end up where you'll go for a bang for buck, and that's where it's going to let you down on that trip when you want to be doing it. So please, take your time, think about what you're getting. If you need any of this sort of work, we're here to help. Give us a call, and I'd like to thank my team for the work they've done to keep people travelling so far to come and see us. Have a good day and speak to you soon. Bye.